So we have what we call basic computer terminologies. Basic computer terminologies. Basic computer terminologies. So what are the basic computer terminologies? All the most common words, the words with a lot of computerized language. So those are the terminologies used in computing. So what are the basic computer terminologies? Number one, we have a computer. So let's understand what is a computer. An electronic device that accepts input, processes data, provides storage and retrieval, and provides output for the user is what we call a computer. We are having five basic components of a computer. In this, we are having input devices, central processing unit, output devices, memory, storage. So these five basic components help us. These five components of a computer. These these are actually the true definition of a computer. They define the purposes of a computer. That is why we are saying that a computer is an electronic device because it uses power and it accepts input through input devices. It processes data through the processing devices, for example, central processing unit, then provides storage and storage through memory here, the storage devices. Information processing cycle, the sequence of events which includes one input, two processing, three storage, and four output. So the alignment or how the processing of information goes, or the cycle through which information is processed. We have number one, which is input, number two, which is processing, number three, which is storage, and number four, which is output. So let's continue. We have input devices, a device which allows the user to enter data into the computer. So examples of the input devices, we have mouse, keyboard, disks, touch screen, monitor, microphone, scanner. Then we are having another one, which is output devices. Output device, a device which allows the computer to communicate the results of processing with the user. Examples here include monitor, disks, speakers, and printers. Then we are having what we call an operating system. An operating system software that communicates is a software that communicates with the hardware and other programs that it runs, and other programs that it runs, and allows other program to run. So that is the operating system. And examples of an operating system, we have Windows, any version. What do I mean? Types of Windows, or versions of Windows. We have Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows 11, etc. We have Mac, or operating system, or what we call Macintosh operating system. So also they are in versions. Then we are having system software. System software, the files and programs that make up the operating system. Remember, we are looking at terminologies used in basic computing. So let's continue. We have device drivers. Device drivers, software that helps the computer communicate with a particular hardware devices. Software that helps the computer communicate with a particular hardware device. Then let's continue. We have application software. What is application software? A computer program designed to help the user accomplish a specific task, such as word processing, spreadsheet, web browser presentation, and email. So that is an application software, a program designed to help the user accomplish a certain or a specific task, for example, word processing. So let's continue. Note, more information can be obtained so about any of the above, type by typing the bold words above along with the word define into any search engine. So in this, what I'm meaning that any of this, you can actually continue and go and search for it on internet. You can just type, you can see something, you highlight it, you open up a web browser. After opening up a web browser, you continue and go on internet and search about that to get more information about such a definition.